What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import and export profiles in Cursor AI. So as you can see here guys, I'm in Cursor. So in order to do that, you want to click on File from the menu options, go down to Preferences and click on Profile. Now you're on the upper left hand side, you will see that you have a section where you can click a new profile. So if you want to import a profile, you can simply click on the drop down here. It's going to say import profile, click on that. Then you want to select the file. Now you want to find that profile. And as you can see, I have a profile right here. I can quickly go ahead and click on that profile file here and click on open, and you will be able to quickly import that profile. As you can see, I've imported this test profile here, right? So you can always go ahead and import it. Then you can click on create, or you can cancel, or you can preview it, so forth. So you click on create. That's how you'll be able to quickly apply and import a profile. As you can see, I have the profile here imported. Now, in order now, guys, to export a profile, let's say this is the default profile that I have. You want to click on that profile and you want to click the three dots here, and you have the option to duplicate, and you also have export. Click on export. Then you want to name it. I'm going to name this one haha as an example, right? Then go ahead and click on enter, and then you'll have the option to select where you want to save it. So I'm going to select, for example, local, and that's going to quickly export that. As you can see in the lower left hand side of my screen, it's currently exporting the profile, and it's going to pop up here on my file explorer, and I can just choose where I want to save that. As you can see, it's going to give me the opportunity to save it here. I'm going to save it right here under that downloads folder, and it's going to quickly complete the step of exporting the profile. As you can see, it's done, and that's it. Now if I go to my downloads folder here, as you can see on my PC, I have that haha file and the other one that I've exported and imported, and that's it guys.